Welcome to the online program for the NCETA Conference, or eProgram as we are calling it. We hope that this eProgram will help you get the most out of attending the NCETA Spring Conference. Start by going to nceta.org. Scroll down a bit so the navigation bar is halfway up the page. Hover over Conferences, and then select the 2018 NCETA Conference information. Scroll down the page and select the Conference Information and Registration link. From here, select the Conference Information and Program link. Bookmark this page. This will be the main page for the eProgram. Let's start with the navigation bar at the top of the page. This bar is on all of the pages and will help you navigate your way through the eProgram. We are currently on the main page. On this page you will find the dates for the conference, the address to the convention center, and a welcome letter, hotel accommodations and parking. Scroll further down to find the registration section. Tells you where to pick up your registration packet, exhibitors, social media, NCETA information, and a long list of thank yous. And last but not least are the sponsors who help make this conference a success. Let's scroll back to the top of the page to the navigation bar. Selecting the main button at any time takes you back to this page. Selecting the exhibitors link takes you to the list of exhibitors that will be showing off their equipment, supplies, curriculum, and other goods and services designed to enhance employment and training. Selecting the floor plans link takes you to the floor plan of the Ballast Hotel, showing all of the rooms for the conference sessions. The sessions span 3 floors of conference rooms. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, there is a link to a print-ready PDF copy of this floor plan in case you wish to print a copy and bring it with you. Selecting the Sessions link in the navigation bar takes you to the page where you can learn about all of the many learning sessions available at the conference. There are several ways to filter and sort the session information in order to help you quickly find the sessions that best meet your needs. You can enter a keyword for which to search. In this example, we'll enter WIOA in the search box. To further refine our search, we will select a specific day of the week. In this case, we are looking for any session containing the word WIOA occurring on Wednesday. Select the search button, and now you see that there are 3 sessions containing the word WIOA occurring on Wednesday. Now that you have your list of sessions, you can sort the data by selecting one of the column headers if you wish. In the search parameter box at the top of the page, you can set as many or as few parameters as you wish. If you select none of the parameters and select only the search button, you get the entire list of 69 conference sessions. A special feature of the NCETA Conference eProgram is the ability to create and store a personal schedule of sessions. In order to access this feature, you must first log in. In the navigation bar at the top of the page, select Login. If you created a username for the eProgram last year, it should still be in the system. If you forgot your password, scroll to the bottom of the page and enter your email address. This works only if you used your email address as your username. Select the Send Password button and your password will be emailed to you. If this is your first time, you will create a username and password. Your email address makes an easy to remember username. Enter your password, which can be any combination of letters and numbers. Enter your password again. Doing this twice ensures that you did not accidentally mistype your password, which would render it useless. And then select Create. Your account has been created and you are ready to log in. Select the Now Log In link or select the Login button on the toolbar. Enter your username and password in the login box and select Login. You have successfully logged in shows that you have indeed logged in successfully. Now select the Sessions link. This looks familiar, right? One difference is that now your username appears so that you know that you are really logged in. We select Search to see the entire list. Scroll down to Wednesday at noon for the general opening session. We do not want to miss that one, so we select the document icon with the big green plus sign next to that session. This is the Add Session to My Schedule icon. This notice lets you know that the session has been added to your schedule. You have the choice of adding more sessions or looking at your schedule. Select the Go Back and Add Another Session link, or you can use the back button in your web browser to go back to the list you were looking at before you added the session. Let's look for a session for after lunch. The next sessions begin at 2:45. For each time block, there will be 6 sessions from which to choose. After examining the 6 sessions, I settle on the Keeping Our Youth Out of Trouble session and add that to my personal schedule. You can scroll down and keep adding sessions to your schedule until you reach the end of the conference. If you are undecided about 2 sessions at the same time, you can add both to your personal schedule and then wait until the last moment to decide which way the wind is blowing. Now we can select My Schedule from the toolbar. Here you see that we have 5 sessions in our personal schedule. Remember that adding a session to your personal schedule here does not pre-register you or give you a guaranteed seat for this session. It's just a way for you to create your pathway through the conference. Note that this session has attachments. As we get closer to conference time, more links will be added, so check back later to see if there are attachments for any of your sessions. The attachment might be a copy of the presentation PowerPoint, a Word document, or even a link to a website. Note the Leave Comments icon next to each session. Select that icon and it takes you to a page where you can leave comments about that session. Just select one of the 4 quality descriptors next to the 5 categories, enter a comment if you wish, and then select the Submit button. If you wish to print a copy of your personal schedule, you might try the compact view by selecting the Show Fewer Details button. This shows just the essential information that you'll need in order to find the session at the conference, and allows you to print your schedule using less paper. You can also click the link to have your schedule emailed to yourself. You might wish to wait until the day before you leave to go to the conference before printing your schedule. If any of the sessions are canceled or get moved to a different room, that information will automatically show up here in your personal schedule. If you wish to delete a session from your personal schedule, just select the red X next to that session. The eProgram will ask if you really want to do this, just in case you were wondering what that X was there for. This eProgram is designed to work in any web browser on any computer, smartphone, or iPad, and should work wirelessly while you are attending the conference as long as you have access to the internet. Please take time to explore the online conference eProgram and see what you can discover. It is hoped that this interactive experience will help you better prepare for making the most of the 2018 NCETA Pathways to Partnerships Conference. I'll see you there.